Service, our guests, ladies and gentlemen, naimbag nga agsapa kada tayo amin. First off, we'd like to thank the Lord for this wonderful opportunity for us to celebrate the first La Trinidad Expo. And with the theme, of course, we are guided with the theme, Advancing Equality, Diversity, and Inclusion. And before, of course, proceeding further to our program, we'd like to acknowledge with us the presence of our guests who have honored us with their presence this morning. Councilor Belmar. Ay, alangan nila, Councilor Belmar Ellis. Of course, we'd like to acknowledge with us the presence of the Director Cecil Basawin from DSWD CAR. Tumakdar ka ma'am, tapno mapamuhan na ka. Palakpakan tayo. Of course, our punong barangays and barangay officials and kagawads. Palakdaran tayo man, nagijay kakapitan tayo. Tumakdar kayo tapno amudan na sila ti papapananda nga pagkawatan ti ayuda. Kaya naging barangay officials tayo, kagawads, dada dito eh. Of course, we'd like to acknowledge with us our senior citizens tayo. Senior citizens. Kaslang ata kayo mananti ada nga pres. Ada manan? Kaslamanan nga General Assembly na ito. The senior citizens. Our women's sector. Palakpak. For women naman. Yung mga men's sector. Awan. Adatag lablabay jay balbalay na di kalman. Tatata di kalman. Anda na nakalaba. And belated Happy Father's Day, Gaya. Yeah. Today is Mother's Day again and the rest of the year. We'd like also to acknowledge our LGBTQIA plus sector. Ano naman ito eh? Makta tayo yan. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Yan. Councilor Belmar, sorry. Panak no ang kasi ka nakita. Maputi ka naman pero hindi kita nakita. Sorry po. Our from the PWD sector, ada ba dito eh? Welcome po. Our solo parents. Aslang ata kayo tadi jay na-approvean. From the indigenous people sector, welcome. The La Trinidad People's Council. Dan ni Ma'am Hilda. Barangay Human Rights Action Officers. Welcome. From the Barangay God Focal Person. From God. CSOs and NGO partners. From the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, Bagyon Benguet. Tamtama, may da notaryo. No, panotaryo kayo dito sale, ikadan nyo na kami di pagkabini. The Department of Health, CAR, adala dito eh. Palakpakan mo naman ako. Thank you. Welcome to our program. And nagijay youth tayo, di Sangguniang Kabataan. Dada, may dadamdama. And of course, our media friends. At dito ni Ma'am Mia from Rappler, Philippines. And from the BIA pala, BIA. And yes, of course, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for accepting the invitation to be here this morning to celebrate the Equality Expo. Yeah, this is an implementation of our ordinance introduced, of course, by Councilor, introduced and co-authored by the members of the council introduced by Councilor Pelmer Ellis. Palakpakan tayo mga Councilor Pelmer. And allow me to read the purpose na dito'y Equality Expo tayo niya as provided in the Ordinance number 2 series of 2026. Under section 4, it is provided that the purpose of this ordinance, of the La Trinidad Expo Ordinance, is to strengthen equality, diversity, and inclusion as fundamental values in the municipality of La Trinidad. To empower marginalized and vulnerable groups, ensuring their full participation in social, economic, and cultural activities, to eliminate all forms of discrimination and prejudice within the community. Hello? Parang sa campaign period, tino-off yung mic pag-type mo na. And to raise awareness and foster respect for human rights and dignity among all residents, to institutionalize the La Trinidad Equality Expo as an annual event in the municipality, and to develop and enforce policies and ordinances that protect the rights of marginalized groups in our municipality. So, dagita-dagi purposes the program tayo tatang agsapa, and I'm very delighted to welcome you all in our pinaka-first La Trinidad Expo 2026. So again, welcome everyone and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vice Mayor.